What a tangled web! I'm going to get you, Mr. Silly Sock! Oh, you're so much fun, aren't you? Don't you go too far, Mr. Silly Sock. You're the only kitty toy I have left.
Nature Cat! You gotta come see this!
Coming. Be right back. Don't you go anywhere, Mr. Silly Sock. You are not gonna believe this, Nature Cat. What are you looking at? Hey, I don't see anything.
Come here. Sit down. Look closely. Hey there, I'm Wanda.
Yes, that's spider. It could be poisonous.
We know that, Nature Cat. That's why we asked Granny Bunny what kind of spider this really is. Hello, darlings. It's not dangerous at all. Most spiders aren't anything to be afraid of. Spiders rock. Love you. You betcha.
I don't trust anything with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. Look what Wanda made. She made a spider web right in your rosebush, Daisy.
Yep, this is a good spot to protect my web from the wind and rain and animals walking through it.
Are you going to stand for this outrage?
Nature Cat, spiders like Wanda help my rose bushes. You betcha, Daisy. We're garden spiders. We eat lots of the bugs that harm Daisy's plants, like aphids. Yummy.
Whoa, you protect Daisy's garden? Just like the ladybugs protect the garden. Yeah, that's great and all, but I'd better keep an eye on Mr. Silly Sock. All my other toys have gone missing, and he's the only one left. That's awful, Nature Cat. Oh, I don't know what I would do if anything ever happened to Mr. Chewings. If I lose one more kitty toy, I don't know what I'll... Mr. Silly Sock, where are you? Mr. Silly Sock, where are you? Me, lavender kitty. So good to me. Ronald. Now that I think about it, he was around when I lost all my other kitty toys too. When I lost Scratchy Patty... Ronald was there, and he was happy. Too happy. And when Officer Dibbles disappeared in Sunset Park, Ronald was close. A little too close. And when I lost Yarny Barney, whoa, dear sweet Yarny Barney, Ronald was having a picnic alone. Or was he? I think Ronald has been taking my toys. Unhand Mr. Silly Sock right this minute.
Why, hello, Nature Cat. What seems to be the problem?
Did you take him? Where is he? Mr. Silly Sock, my kitty toy.
I did nothing of the sort. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some lounging to do.
Ronald.
What's going on here, Nature Cat? Is this guy bothering you, Nature Cat?
Every time I lost one of my kitty toys this week, Ronald was there, acting suspicious.
Nature Cat, that's just how Ronald acts.
Hey! Okay, you do have a point. I am a pretty suspicious cat. But I did not, however, do anything wrong this time.
Come on, Nature Cat, let's get out of here.
To the who, Nature Cat?
I'm gonna get to the bottom of this, Ronald. I really think Ronald could have taken my toys.
Yeah, but how can you prove it?
Oh, don't you worry, friends. I got an idea I got a lot of ideas.
What say you, Spider?
Here's what I'm thinking. You can catch the toy taker in the act.
Uh-huh. I'm listening.
When I want to catch something, I use my web.
Your web? I thought you spiders made these webs as decorations.
Well, orb webs like Wanda's are cool to look at, but they do so much more than that.
This web of mine keeps me safe from other animals who might want to eat me. Don't I look scrumptious?
But the webs are fancy and dainty and delicate. How does it protect you?
Oh, hey, boss. It may look delicate, but spider silk is super strong. And when anything touches my web, the whole thing just vibrates. If it's something that wants to eat me, I know I should hide.
I want a web.
Yep, very cool. And sometimes when I feel the web moving, it tells me that my lunch is here.
You mean your lunch comes to you? Like pizza delivery?
Yeah, sort of. Some of these strands are sticky and trap whatever flies into it. I'll show you, but we have to be quiet while we wait. Can you be quiet, boss?
I can be quiet! Shush! Right. Sorry, right, quiet. Starting now! Sorry. Can you hear me? Now. Starting now. Nothing's happening.
Now you gotta be patient, Ninja Cat. I know that sometimes it's not easy to wait, but you gotta trust old Wanda. If we stay quiet, a bug will come sooner or later.
Okay, I can be patient. Be patient, Nature Cat.
Oh, baby, that's a good one.
Wanda caught a fly. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Caught a fly. Oh yeah.
Oh, you betcha, Daisy. Right on the sticky strands of silk. We can make sticky silk to catch a bug and non-sticky silk so I can get around to my web.
But where's that silk coming from?
Oh, right here, boss. We spiders have a special organ called a spinneret that makes silk. Don't you go there. Don't yuck someone's yum.
Yeah, you're right, Wanda. Our bad. Our bad.
So your idea is to make a web and then trap the kitty toy taker in it?
Bingo.
Ooh, that sounds awesome. I love it. But, quick question. What do we use to make the web?
If only we had some craft materials. Houston's doing a craft project over there. Houston, we have a problem. Do you have anything we can use to make a giant spider web?
Roger that. Let me check my craft box. Will this yarn work, sir?
Not sticky enough.
What about this tape, sir?
Not webby enough.
I do have this giant wad of spider webbing and some glue to make it sticky.
Why, thank you, Houston. Carry on with whatever it is you're working on.
Roger that, sir.
Let's get to work.
Onward and forward.
What incredible Now we just have to hide and wait, like Wanda does when she's waiting for her food.
Well, come on, let's hide. Toy taker is sure to be here soon.
Mr. Jawinsky? I'll just move this aside. What's happening? What is going on? What is this stuff? Why is it so sticky?
Get her, Rhino! Oh, I was so worried about you, Mr. Jawinsky. Ever go again? Ha-ha! We caught you in the act.
You caught me doing what?
You were gonna take Hal's chew toy, just like you took all of Nature Cat's kitty toys.
I was going to do no such thing. I was simply going to get Hal's toy so I could give it back to him.
Do you think Cat. Just admit, you are the toy taker.
I am not.
You are too.
I am not.
You are too.
Am not.
Are too.
Am not.
Are too.
I am innocent.
Are too.
Excuse me. May I please have my glue back? I need to finish the boat I'm building for all the little toys.
Did you say little toys? Mr. Silly Socks, Scratchy Patty, Officer Nibbles, Yarny Barney. Houston, you've been taking my toys.
No, sir. I did not take them. I found them.
So, Ronald, you didn't do anything wrong?
For once, I did not.
Oh, sorry about that. I guess I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions.
No, you shouldn't have.
Should get you out of the web, huh? Ronald, on behalf of me, Squeaks, and my associates, I want to issue a heartfelt apology and beg your forgiveness for our gross misjudgment.
Yeah.
It's good to have you back, Kitty Toys.
Raspberries. In there, right, Scratchy Patty. Nature Cat, Squeaks, Daisy, and Hal are cartoon